Hey everyone. Welcome to my AutoCAD training series. In previous video, I was told about initial workspace introduction. If you have not seen that video, first see that video. The link was given in description. In this video, you will learn about basic command like line, circle, offset and properties. We will learn this command with one drawing. So, let's start it. Alright. We will learn the command by drawings. This is your drawing, and you have to draw a duplicate of it. But first, you have to switch off the grid lines. You can switch on the grid line from here. It is not compulsory, but I suggest it will be switch off. Now, we are start our drawing. Click on Home tab. And select Line command. Click and drag to make a vertical line. Enter the value of 50. And press Enter. Now, goes to right side, and make a horizontal line. Enter the value of 50, and press Enter. Again, make the vertical line of 50, and horizontal line of 50. Make sure your endpoints are jointed. But, you can see here. Line is not continuous. It is centerline. Now, go to Properties box. And from here, you can change the type of line. So, select the object. And change the property from here, Center to Bilayer. Now, our line is continuous. Press Escape key to unselect, and close the command. Next, we have to draw 3 circles. Before that, we have to find out center of circle. It is given by 25 from vertical line, and 20 from horizontal line. For that, we are use offset command. Select the offset command. And it will ask about offset distance. Enter the value of 20. And now, select the vertical line. Give the direction, where offset is need. Again start the offset command, by pressing the spacebar key. This time, enter the value of 25. And select horizontal line. Give the direction of offset. The intermediate point is the center of circle. Select circle command. Here 2 type of circle. One is radius and second is diameter. Here, we need diameter. So select circle diameter. Click on center. And enter the value of 16. Now, select the vertical line, and decrease the length. Drag the center of line, at the center of circle. As well as, decrease the length of horizontal line. Now, select the both line, and select center type here. If center type is not given, follow me. Select More. Click on Load. Here, you can get all the types of line. Select Center and Center to. Hit OK. Click on the Reload the line type. Here, they both are added. And select the lines as a center from here. But, it is too small. Select that lines, and right-click on it. Click on Properties. Here, change the value from 1 to 5. It's look like good. It is better than previous view. Close the Properties box. Our big circle is ready. Now, we draw this 2 circles. For this circle, again we are use offset command. Start offset command. Enter the value of 10. Select this horizontal line. And give the direction. Again activate the offset command. This time, enter the value of 30. Select the horizontal line. And give the direction. As well as, make the offset of 12, from vertical line. Now, we draw the circle. Select Circle Diameter command, because diameter is given. Click on point, and drag. Enter the value of 10. As well as, make the second circle. Select both circle, and set the line type as bilayer. Now select the lines. And convert into centerline. Now, delete this line. We are copy the center line from above circle. Select copy commanded here. And select the center lines from center. And copy at second circle's center. You can paste this center line, at which you want. Our first drawing was done. We are give the dimension, after learning the all commands. So, save your drawing, which we'll use in future. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe the channel. I will meet you in next video. Have a nice day.